Try to take this off without damaging it. Okay, there we go. Very large piece of plastic. Very high quality. And I'm gonna go put this next to the rail. Alright, as you can see, slips on there very nice. Got some play to it. Very, very nice. Remove this one slightly so I can slide it on. Very nice. Okay, I'm now going to slot this on there. Very good fitment. And, oops, there's some rust. Let's see if that fits as well. It does very well. Maybe needs a few taps, and some persuasion, but I think that will work. I think. Oh. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I could just spin it, but I think it's working. Yep. That might just work. Yeah, so I think that will work. So I think it's time to do the real thing and print my real one so I can actually use it. It'll be very nice.